Alrighty, how's everybody doing today? Anyway, gonna have some fun with firecrackers today. Some of you may have done this, some may have not. But anyway, take an old 2-liter bottle, cut it down, and drill a hole in the bottom of it. Once you've done that, you can take a pitcher of water or a bucket and push that in the water, squeeze the air out. You take your firecracker, stick that into the hole, push it down, just keep pushing until you get just a little bit of it sticking out of the hole, right? Then find you a place somewhere on the ground where you can set it, preferably somewhat level. Right. Get you something to light it with. Nope. That didn't go as high as they oftentimes do. But anyway, let's try another one. Alright, so we got another one loaded up and ready to go. Go ahead and light it. Well, that one went a little bit higher. Alright, let's try another one here. Alright, so the farther down that you get the firecracker into that hole with as little sticking out as possible, it seems that the higher they go, which would make sense. Nope, maybe not. Anyway, just kind of screwing around because nothing else to do on a Saturday. Adios, vatos.